Chapter 3. More on PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint 2007 is the presentation software provided by Microsoft Company, which plays a major role in communicating the ideas to the audience effectively by utilizing its features and effects such as tables, charts. Let us explore them one by one. Table. MS PowerPoint 2007 helps us to organize our data in a tabular form by using the feature known as table. It helps us to arrange the data in a grid made up of rows and columns. Intersection of rows and column is known as cell. Inserting a table. Follow these steps. Step 1. Select the table icon in the layout. Step 2. An Insert Table dialog box will appear asking you to enter the number of rows and columns in the table grid. Step 3. Enter the number of rows and columns required and click on the OK button. You will be displayed with a table having rows and columns mentioned by you. For example, if the number of columns is 5 and the number of rows is 4, it will display a table of 4 rows and 5 columns. Cell is a place where you can type your text. Step 4. Type the data in each of the cells in the table. Also, add a title to the page by clicking on Click to Add Title placeholder and type in the title. Step 5. You may resize the rows and columns of the table by bringing the mouse pointer to the edge of a row and column until it changes to a double-headed arrow and click and drag to the desired size. Step 6. To insert a row or column, right-click on a cell and click on the Insert option, which will present you with a list of options to insert a row and column. To simply add a row at the end of the table, bring the cursor to the last cell and press the Tab key on the keyboard. The above table created is in default style. You can choose a different style for the table using PowerPoint's built-in table style. Change table style. Step 1. Click on the table that you have created in the slide. Step 2. From the Design tab, choose a table style that suits your requirement. You can always insert a table even on a blank slide with a different layout by clicking on the Table button of the Insert tab. Chart. A chart is a tool which user can use to communicate data graphically. It helps the user to understand and interpret the data easily in a pictorial representation. Charts are present in various forms of types and layouts which make the presentation look impressive. To insert a chart. Step 1. Select the Insert tab and click the Insert Chart command. The Insert Chart dialog box appears on the screen. Step 2. Click and drag the scroll bar to view various chart types. Or, Step 3. Click a label on the left of the dialog box to see a specific chart style. Click on a particular chart type to select it. Step 4. Click on OK button. The selected chart type will appear on the slide with an Excel file having default data in the Excel file. The chart will be displayed according to the default data as present in Excel file. To enter or modify the data of a chart using Excel file. Step 1. Select any cell present in the Excel spreadsheet. Step 2. Start entering your data in the cell by clicking the cell and entering the new data. As you enter new data, it will override the old data and new data will appear in the Excel spreadsheet and in the chart also. Step 3. Similarly, move to another cell and repeat the above steps until you have entered the data in a file. Step 4. You will observe that the chart present in the PowerPoint changes according to the new data entered by the user in Excel sheet. Step 5. You can delete the data from the cell if you do not require using the cell for entering the data. Step 6. You can click and drag the lower right corner of the blue line to increase or decrease the data range for rows as shown in the figure. Step 7. Once you have finished entering the data in the cell, select any cell with placeholder data remaining. Press the delete key to delete the remaining placeholder data. Step 8. Close Excel. You do not need to save the spreadsheet. The new Excel source data appears in the PowerPoint chart. Parts of a chart. Charts are visual representation of data. They make it easy to see comparison, patterns and trends in the data. Following are the parts of a chart. Parts of a chart. Source. Description. Range of cells make up a chart. Chart title. It adds and removes the title of a chart. Axis. They are vertical and horizontal parts of a chart. Legend. It is like the chart key which identifies the color of the chart. Data labels. It is used to label the elements of a chart with their actual data values. Chart data table. It adds a table summarizing data to the chart. Plot area. Turns the plot area on and off. Chart wall. Formats the color on the vertical walls behind the data on a three-dimensional chart. Chart floor. Formats the color on the horizontal floor below the data of a three-dimensional chart. 3D rotation. Opens the Format Chart Area dialog where you can set the three-dimensional viewpoint of the chart. Trend line. Hide or display a line that indicates the average cost of data to the chart. Lines. Hide or display lines at data points which compare the data to other points or the clear this word and clarify where each data point falls. Up or down bars. Hide or display bars between the lowest and highest numbers at a given point of the graph. Error bars. Hide or display bars that indicate how much the data may vary from the displayed value and allow you to set the amount of error. Editing and formatting charts. We can make changes in the chart style, type, legend, etc. by editing and formatting the chart in the PowerPoint window. Once the user has inserted a chart in a window and click on the chart, 3 new tabs appear on the ribbon known as Design tab, Layout tab and Format tab, which contain various commands to edit and format the chart. Changing chart type. To change the chart type from one to another, for example, changing a chart type from column to pie, user needs to follow the steps as given below. Step 1. Right-click on the chart you would like to change and select Change Series Chart Type. Change Chart dialog will open. Step 2. Make a selection from the given chart types and press OK if you are satisfied with the chart type. Your chart type will change from the previous selected type to the new chart type. Or select the chart and press the Design tab. Step 3. Click on the Change Chart Type command. The Insert Chart dialog box will open. Step 4. Select the chart type which you want to select now and click OK. To edit source data using Data Group. Step 1. Select the chart and go to Design tab. Step 2. Click on the Edit Data command. An Excel sheet with old data will appear. Step 3. change the data in the Excel sheet, automatically the data gets changed in the chart also. Step 4. You can close Excel sheet without saving the worksheet. To change the chart style. Step 1. Select the Chart Style command from the Design tab. Step 2. Scroll the options present in the Chart Style group or click drop-down menu to see more chart styles and select any one as per your choice. You will observe that the selected chart style gets applied to the chart. To change the chart layout. Step 1. Select the chart and move to the Design tab. Step 2. Scroll through the options in the Chart Layouts group or click the More drop-down arrow to see all available chart layouts option. Step 3. Click a chart layout to select any one of them. The chart layout will change on the slide to the new selected layout instead of the old layout. To modify specific areas of the chart layout. Step 1. Select the chart and click the Layout tab. Step 2. Locate the Labels group. You can change chart title, axis titles and legend etc. using this option. Let us change the chart title. Step 3. Chart title. Click this command to remove or add a chart title. Your chart title will change as per the option selected by the user. You can change the axis, legend, data labels and data table using the commands of the labels group. Chart formatting. To provide formatting to the chart, use the commands on the Format tab to modify the chart. For example, you can use this tab to change the chart outline, format chart text as word art and perform other functions. Quick review. The way of arranging data in a tabular form is called a table. You need to specify the number of rows and columns in a table. Click on Table Style by selecting the table and clicking on the Design tab. Chart is a pictorial presentation of the data. Chart area includes the complete area in the chart sheet, which includes all the objects located in the chart. Chart can be edited and formatted according to the user's choice by applying commands from the tabs which appear such as Design tab, Layout tab and Format tab.